about the vacant seats released by West Bengal National University of Judicial Science. So we already know those who have written Clat 2023 examination already got allocation under different counseling procedures, but few seats are still vacant in some of the universities. So it is for those students who did not got any allocation in different NLUs under various counseling procedures. For the benefit of those students, now NLUs individually releasing the vacancies in their particular portals. So for the convenience of our students, we at Abhyaas Lawprep has created a dedicated portal to look into the various NLUs at one single page. So just type NLU vacancies in Google. You will be getting a link. Let's have a look. NLU vacancies 2023. You will get the link of Abhyaas Lawprep. Click on this link. You will be directed to a particular page where you will get the list of universities and the available links for them. Whenever a university releases its vacancies, we at Abhyaas Lawprep immediately enables the particular payment link in this particular portal beside the university name. So here now we are talking about West Bengal National University of Judicial Science, Kolkata. It has released the notification on 23rd June 2023. So now let us look how to apply for the vacancies. Just click on the link here. The main page, the notification page will be open. In that page, it has mentioned you need to apply through the nujs.edu website. So here is the website. After opening the website, you will get the link for that particular thing. West Bengal National University of Judicial Sciences. Here is the vacancies. So here, click on the payment link. You will be redirected to one more page where you need to pay here. So after paying this, you will be directed to the particular enrollment procedure. So let us look what are the conditions detailed for this. Vacancies, West Bengal National University of Judicial Sciences, number of vacant seats not yet disclosed. So some of the universities they have disclosed how many vacant seats they have, but here in case of West Bengal National University of Judicial Science, they did not disclose the available vacant seats. But it has asked for the students, if you are interested in applying for West Bengal, you need to pay and we need to apply the fill in the application form so that our name will be considered for future vacancies if any. So the last date to apply for West Bengal is 9th July 2023. You need to pay a deposit, non-refundable deposit of 2000 rupees. So after paying this fee and filling the application, your name will be considered. How to pay? Let's have a look. So click on this particular link. You will be redirected to the payment page. Here, just type the West Bengal National University of Judicial Sciences. After opening the link, search for the educational institutions. Click on this. After this, you search here for West Bengal National University of Judicial Sciences. Then you will get the data of the particular university. Here it is, West Bengal National University. After opening the page, you need to select the category. Under payment category, you need to select application fee. Last, application fee. After that, fill the candidate name. Just type something, not something, just type your name and father name and category you are applying for. All India, if you are All India, if you want seat under All India category or West Bengal domicile. Let us look All India category. After that, subcategory, to which category you belong to, and your address for communication, and mobile number, 10-digit mobile number, and email address is not mandatory but you can fill, and the course which you are applying for. Here the vacancy notification is for BA LLB program. So even here you have to search BA LLB program. Your Clat admit card number, application number, Clat rank, and the gender, and remarks if you have anything, and application fee of 2000 rupees, and your individual details. So mobile number, everything, date of birth, everything you have to type, and your email address. After that, click on this. I have read all the instructions and fill in this captcha. Next. Okay, captcha was entered wrong. PWG. Next. So here are your details. This is nothing but application form. This is nothing but your application form. So if you fill all the details and pay for the particular university up to 2000 rupees, your candidature will be considered for vacancy notification. So click, choose any payment method and submit finally, so that your candidature will be enrolled with West Bengal National University of Judicial Science. And if any vacancies are available, if any vacancies are available, so West Bengal University will inform you immediately. So these are the dates. The first indicative merit list of selected candidates along with waiting list will be published on 13th July 2023, and those who have selected admission will be taken on 20th July 2023. So till 9th July, you have an option to pay. After paying 2000 rupees, whether you have vacancies available or not under your particular category. If you have vacancies available, West Bengal University will consider you. If vacancies are not available, in future, if any new vacancies come up, so West Bengal will consider your candidature. So no new notification will be given. And if under particular category, if West Bengal did not get any applications, so those reserved seats will also be converted into general category. Suppose if West Bengal has 3 vacancies under OBC category, but no one applied for OBC vacancies, those 3 will be converted to general category. This is the procedure. So if category students are not available, those available seats will be converted into general list, but we don't have any clear cut idea of how many seats are available under various categories. Just all the interested candidates can apply here. And if you have any doubts regarding these vacancies or anything regarding the Clat, we are disclosing the contact number and website link in the description section, so that through that you can contact us at any time and you can get the required information for you, and utilize this opportunity for those who did not got allocation under various counseling procedures. So all the best and use this link properly. Thank you.